Let's try to see another example on how to find information in the food labels and to answer some typical exercises you can have. If you want to practice this topic, you can just Google nutrition labels, worksheets, and you will find many of them. I just found one of them, and that's the one I will be using to answer this. Let's see, this is about this. The first 4 questions are about these labels in the right side of the screen. And then the first questions refers to how many calories would you take if you ate the whole box of crackers in one sitting? Again, if it tells you the whole box, the first thing you have to do is to see how many servings in this whole box are. It says the whole box contains 21 servings. And this means that if you eat the whole box, you are eating 21 times the amount of everything listed in the table. So, for example, it says the question says, how many calories would you take if you eat the whole box of crackers? Then it's telling you about the calories as a whole from this food item. And then it says 60 calories in one serving. So the whole box will be 60 calorie times 21. So 60 calorie times 21, it means you are eating 60 calories. Okay. The other question says, what happens if you eat 2 servings of crackers? How many grams of carbs would you get? I'm fine with grams because here in the labels, I always will find information about grams of carbs, fats, and protein. So I will find grams of carbs, 10 grams. And then in 2 servings will be 10 times 2. So it's 20 grams. And the other question says, each gram of carbohydrates provide 4 calories. How many calories would you take in by eating 2 servings of crackers? Again, its calories are equal to grams times 4 in the case of carbs. And I know already from the previous question that if I get 2 servings, I will have 20 grams. So 20 grams times 4, it means I will have 80 calories. It means 20 times 4. And then fats provides 9 calories per gram. How many calories would you get by eating 2 servings? In this case, they are talking about fats. I don't have any previous calculation that allows me to know how many grams of fats do I get if I eat the whole container. So I need to do these calculations first to be able to find calories. So how many calories in 2 servings? Let's see how many grams first in 2 servings. So I have 1.5 grams. If I eat 2 servings, it means 2 times this amount. So I will need to do 2 calculations. 1.5 grams in 1 serving times 2 servings, then it means I have 3 grams of fats in 2 servings. Okay, in 2 servings. And sorry for the writing. And then now they ask me calories, so I need to convert grams into calories. I would say 3 grams times 9 calories per grams. Grams will cancel out, and then it means I will have 27 calories just with 2 servings. There is a second exercise at the bottom of this slide or this screen. I will really do this in another video just to have short videos for you to watch.